Hi guys, this is Nirmal from Nandanam Exotics, and today our video is gonna be about this carnivorous plants terrarium that I set up 3 years ago. So this is actually an update video regarding how it has progressed the past 3 years. So stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So friends, you just saw some clips where I showed some murky glass and it's not looking so good. So you might be thinking why I'm showing you this. I wanted to show you guys how we clean or maintain a terrarium like this. So occasionally, once in 2-3 months, you have to go and clean your terrarium glass. It accumulates a lot of gunk and stuff building up inside the terrarium because of the moisture, and also it accumulates a lot of dust from the outside. So occasionally cleaning your terrarium glass will give that clean look where you can have visibility inside. So we'll do that right now. In order to clean the insides of the terrarium glass, I have decided to use this discarded toothbrush. You'll also need a container filled with water. It's just to dip the brush before using it inside. So usually the dirt that accumulate inside the glass is from algae and also droppings from insects that live inside such systems. So a strong enough brush will be needed for scrubbing it off from the glass. By insects, I mean all the beneficial soil, bacteria, bugs, springtails, arthropods, etc. So once you scrub the insides of the glass with the toothbrush, you can use a paper towel or a microfiber cloth to clean it up. This actually wipes out all the dirt that we just loosened up and prevents it from going into the medium. So in this clip you can clearly see how different the glass looks after some scrubbing and cleaning. So now let me do the entire thing and show you guys the end result. So guys, you can see how different it's looking right now. The glass is really clean and you can see what is going on inside. So this process is very vital for any terrarium you set up, especially if it is a moist tropical terrarium. For desert or arid kind of terrariums that have a lot of succulents and cacti, they don't have much moisture, and that itself makes them much more less maintenance. Their glass does not cloud up or smirk up like this. But for tropical ones that need a lot of moisture inside, this is a very natural thing, and you have to keep on maintaining your terrarium at least once in every 2 months. Compared to the first clip I showed you when the glass was murky, look how beautiful and different the system looks with some maintenance and cleaning. So this is something you cannot skip when you have a terrarium. So next, what we are gonna do as part of the maintenance is to trim off all the browning portions of the plant and give it a cleaner look. You can go into the terrarium and using a clean pair of scissors cut off anything that is brown or dead. This also refreshes the system and prevents any unwanted fungal infections in the future. So the second step, where we clean out all the dead and browning debris from such a terrarium, is a crucial one as it always maintains freshness and also prevents a lot of fungal infections. The main factor you have to keep in mind while doing this is to clean your scissors or equipments with rubbing alcohol. Also, make sure to do this with proper lighting so that you won't accidentally cut a live part of the plant. Here you can see some of the ferns have grown to the topest portion of the terrarium and started touching the light source. So wherever they touch the light bulb, they get burned. So whenever I clean the system, I make sure to prune them off and give a clearance space for them to grow till the next time I clean the system. So I finished up cleaning, and this is the amount of debris that we got from this round of cleaning. So now that we finished cleaning the insides of the terrarium, using a clean paper towel, you can clean the outsides of the glass. This removes all the dust and stain that it has accumulated over time. So guys, now that the glass is a little bit more cleaner, you can see how beautiful it has grown into. I really love this setup. It's been going on without much care at all. Only thing what I do for the setup is what I showed you right now. I clean the glass, I remove all the browning portions as well as give it some water. That's all. We just have to give it a 12-hour cycle of light. So usually morning 6 to evening 6 is what we give it here. So it's been going great for me, and I am so happy to share this with you guys. As you can see clearly, every nook and corner in this system is growing something. You can find a lot of moss, fungi, algae, and I think even a lichen inside this. This shows how bioactive and self sustaining the system has grown out to be. So as always, do consider subscribing to the channel, and if you like my content, press the bell notification button for future updates. Also select the all option under the bell notification button for getting every update from the channel. Even though it's not putting up a lot of color, the Sarracenia is also doing good in the system. An amazing thing about this setup is the ventrata or the nepenthes that is growing inside. Within 3 years, usually they can grow up to 14-15 feet tall and become a huge vine if you're growing it outdoor. But it's amazing to see that they are still keeping up with the size and available space of this system. It's maintaining a very cute structure, and I am so amazed at how they can adapt to a small space. It's like they are doing bonsai on their own, or it's like they are bonsai, like it's like they don't want to grow at all. They know this is the space they have, so they're just growing in that space, which is so amazing for me. It also amazes me to see that the Ventrata is putting out such red pictures. Usually, that is only expected under proper lighting. I'm only giving this system a normal LED bulb, and under such low light, it's still giving me so much pigmentation and color. The pop of red from the pictures also add to the beauty of the system. So guys, to summarize, to maintain your terrarium, you have to always keep the glass clean, water your terrarium whenever is required, and also clean any debris or dead matter from the plants as well as other elements of the terrarium to avoid any fungal infections. So these are the three major factors you have to take care. There are more detailed stuffs we will discuss in future videos, but for today's video, this is all I'm gonna discuss about. I'm so happy and glad that I got to experience the last 3 years of this system and how it evolved. I'm so curious to see how it will be in the future. So guys, today's video was all about my terrarium and how it has progressed for the past 3 years. We discussed a little bit about its maintenance and upkeep. So hope you guys found this video entertaining and informative. Until next time, it's Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy my content and hope you will check out other videos from the channel. Once again, reminding you guys to subscribe to the channel, give a like for the video and share it with your friends.